Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to recover your Roblox account, even if you don't remember your email or password. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Let's jump right in. Head over to the Roblox login page, and instead of signing in, click on Forgot Password or Username, just below the login fields. You'll now be on the Password Reset page. Let's first try with email. Type in your email address if you remember it. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a bot. Then click on Submit. Check your inbox. You'll receive an email with a reset link. Click it to set a new password. Still can't access your account? No worries. You can contact Roblox support directly. Here's how. Visit https www.roblox.com. Support. Fill out your username, if known, device used, and explain the situation. Be polite and clear. They'll usually get back to you within a few days. And that's it. Even without access to your email or password, you still have a few solid ways to recover your Roblox account. If this video helped you, subscribe and check out more tutorials on the channel. Good luck recovering your account, and I'll see you in the next one.